If you are diagnosed with slip disc, don't panic. 95% of the patients with slip disc never require surgery in their life. They can be very well treated with rest, medicines, physiotherapy, and later on exercises. So if you are diagnosed with slip disc and your doctor has advised you rest and medicines, have some patience, you may not require surgery. If you have slip disc, you might have symptoms like pain radiating down the arm or radiating down the leg, or there might be numbness or tingling in the arm or leg. Your MRI may show a disc coming out of its place and pressing the nerve, but that does not mean that you require surgery. Initially, to start the treatment, we ask the patient to have bed rest for 2 to 3 days. We give patient pain medicines, muscle relaxants, anti-inflammatory, which might be steroidal or non-steroidal, and muscle relaxants. What happens when we give these medicines? They reduce the spasm around the inflamed area, and they relieve the pressure of the nerve because they have anti-inflammatory component also. Along with these, we give nerve medicines like pregabalin or neurogaba. These medicines help in reducing the radicular pain going down the leg or radiating down the arm. So after 2 to 3 days of bed rest and these medicines, we start the patient on physiotherapy after that. In physiotherapy, we ask the patient to go for electrical nerve stimulation or laser therapy to reduce the inflammation in the perineural area and reduce the muscle spasm. From 5th to 6th day onward, we ask the patient to get out of the bed and start normal activities. We don't allow the patient to bend forward or lift weight for at least 2 weeks after the acute episode of slip disc. During this period, patient is allowed to sit on a comfortable chair with backrest and hand support. He is allowed to lie in the bed, sleep properly, but he has to avoid sleeping prone, that is on his tummy. He can sleep straight on his back. Within 2 to 3 weeks, patient is up and about and normal and doing all normal activities. This is the time when we start the patient on spinal extension and core muscle strengthening exercises. These are specific exercises designed to strengthen the muscles around the spine and reduce the pressure from the nerve. Most of the patients, they undergo physiotherapy for 2 to 3 weeks, and within 6 weeks, almost all the patients, they come back to normal life. Now, if you have tried conservative treatment for 3 to 4 weeks and there is no improvement, pain is still there, then your doctor might advise you to have epidural or selective nerve root block injection, which helps in reducing the pain which travels down the leg or travels down the arm. So this is known as epidural injection or SNRB, but it is given only in cases where conservative treatment is not helping. However, if during the course of treatment you develop symptoms like weakness in hand or leg, or pain increases too much in spite of medicines, exercises and physiotherapy, or there is loss of motion or urine control, then don't wait. Then you should immediately consult your doctor who might advise you surgery. But surgery is required very rarely. In majority of the cases, no surgery is required, and within 6 weeks, we are able to manage the patient well by just rest, medicines, physiotherapy and exercises. So if you have any slip disc problem or any pain radiating down the leg or any sciatica problem, don't worry, consult your physician, and without surgery, there is a very good chance that you will come back to normal life. Thank you.